Did you know that Taj Mahal is not just a symbol of love, but also a masterpiece of architectural brilliance? Let's uncover its fascinating story. In this video, we will explore the history, architecture, and cultural significance of Taj Mahal and also mesmerizing beauty during a sunrise. We will also reveal some surprising fact about this monument as well. In 1983, the Taj Mahal was declared as UNESCO's World Heritage Site. It attracts millions of visitors each year, standing as a timeless symbol of love and architectural brilliance.
I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, messed up and I'm haunted. I'm I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I try to make it all stop. Say I'm okay, but I'm not. No, I can't help it. I'm so jealous of you taking that place in his heart. It should be me, but it's not. Wish I could get less, but I'm so jealous. I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything.
Let's check some facts. Taj Mahal was commissioned by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1632 as a tribute to his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, who died during childbirth. It took 20 years and 20,000 artisans to complete this architectural wonder. Taj Mahal is renowned for its perfect symmetry and gleaming white marble that changes color with the sunlight. Its intricate inlay work features semi-precious stones like jade and turquoise, which showcases the craftsmanship of Mughal era. Have you ever heard about Black Taj Mahal? Yes, the Black Taj Mahal is a legendary black marble mausoleum that is said to have been planned to be built across Yamuna River opposite to that of Taj Mahal. Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan is said to have been designed a mausoleum for himself similar to that of Taj Mahal. Did you know that the Taj Mahal changes color throughout the day? From soft pink at dawn to dazzling white at noon and a golden hue under moonlight. It's a sight to be behold. Whether you see it as a symbol of love, a masterpiece of architecture, or blend of culture, Taj Mahal remains one of the greatest wonders of the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to press the like button, do share this video to your friends and family, and subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you.